Hello everyone. What I'm going to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here, so don't worry. We're almost there with a solution. If your 2011 Hyundai Sonata is showing the dreaded key fob not detected message, first take a deep breath. Your car isn't crazy and it's not about to leave you stranded. This just means that the smart key system isn't receiving the signal from the fob, even if it's right in your pocket or inside the car. The first thing you should check is something super simple that many people overlook: the battery. Yes, both the fob's battery and the car's battery. Even if the car starts normally, a weak battery or unstable voltage can confuse the system. Many mechanics here at the shop have mentioned that simply replacing the car or fob battery makes the message disappear like magic. If the batteries are fine, the next likely culprit is the fuses and connections. Over time, dust, moisture, or a loose wire can block the signal. Several mechanics have reported that cleaning the fuses and securing the connectors inside the panel got the fob working again without spending a penny on new parts. Now, if that doesn't work, it could be an electronic glitch. Sometimes after disconnecting the battery, performing maintenance, or even due to road vibrations, the system gets confused. Many people recommend disconnecting the battery for about 20-30 minutes and then reconnecting it. It's like rebooting your phone when it freezes. In many cases, it makes the car start listening to the key again. If after all this the problem still persists, it could be something more serious: the antenna that detects the fob or the system control module. These are the parts that actually interpret the fob signal, and if they're failing, the message will keep appearing even if everything else is fine. Some mechanics have had to replace the antenna or recalibrate the module to get the car to recognize the key again.